Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to copy bookmarks from Firefox so you can move your favorite websites to another browser or keep a backup. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where bookmark options are available. Step 2. Click Bookmarks, then select Manage Bookmarks. This opens the library window where all your bookmarks are stored. Step 3. Choose the bookmark folder you want to copy, such as Bookmarks Toolbar or other bookmarks. This helps you find the exact bookmarks you need. Step 4. Select the bookmark or bookmarks you want to copy. You can hold Ctrl to select multiple bookmarks at once. Step 5. Right-click on the selected bookmarks and click Copy. The bookmarks are now copied to your clipboard. Step 6. Paste the copied bookmarks into another folder, browser, or document as needed. This allows you to reuse or transfer your bookmarks easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.